Are you excited? Who's the lens for?
The lens is, we're buying a lens for me from the camera store.
Yeah?
And I only have 2 lenses. Yeah.
What did you want to add to your kit today?
A long zoom lens.
You need a long zoom lens, right? Because what did you want to start shooting? What do you want Daddy to teach you? Animals and sports, right? So we need a long zoom lens for that, right? Because when you're shooting sports, you got to be far away. And when you're shooting animals, you got to be far away, so this way you don't scare them, right?
Yep.
Right? Are you still going to wake up super early with me?
Yes.
You're actually excited to get up early? Are you sure? I don't know if I believe you.
Yeah.
What do you got in there?
My camera and my 2 lenses.
Okay. You got to bring your camera in. Why? Why do you got to bring it in?
Because we're going to try the new lens onto the camera and see if it works.
All right, excellent. You ready to go in?
Yeah, we're ready to go in.
I've never been in here before, so I don't know where anything is yet, so we're going to look around a little bit, but you have got to be on your best behavior in here, okay?
Okay.
So what do you think so far, your first time in a camera store?
It was so good, and now we're just looking around because this is our first time in a camera store. I'm gonna go look back here.
All right, you know where the rest of the Sony stuff is?
Yeah.
Okay, let's head over there. So is there anything else over here that you want to look at?
No.
No? We'll do baby steps, right? Now you're gonna have your zoom lens, so you're gonna have what Daddy calls the holy trinity of lenses, right? You got your beginner kit, you got your 16 to 50, which is your wide zoom, right?
Yep.
And then you got your 28 to 70, which is your medium zoom, right? And then what are we getting today? We're getting your 55 to 210, which is your long zoom, right?
Yep. What about this super long zoom?
Yep, so you'll be able to take faraway shots like Daddy. Right, we are at Unique Photo. Right?
So,
Do you like this place?
Yeah. It's really fun.
The guys here were awesome, right?
Yeah.
They were so nice to you and Joey.
Yeah.
And what'd they give you?
They gave me a car and they gave Joey a car.
How cool was that? That was so nice of them, right? They didn't have to do that.
Yeah, they didn't have to do that.
I bet later tonight when Daddy's editing all of this, you and Joey are going to be playing with the cars, racing around the house. You think?
Yeah.
All right, little Miss Giggles. Is there anything else we're looking at?
No.
No? I'm going to get my... Oh, what'd you see? What'd you see? Yeah, see, that's why we came here to get you that zoom lens, right? So you could practice taking stuff like this,
Yeah.
right?
You're putting it in the video?
I love how excited you got when you saw that. Go ahead, you want to try it out? You can try it out.
How old are you? Oh my gosh. Where's my daughter like cameras?
So,
You're getting impatient already, huh? How many times did you ask me where your lens was?
no.